OMG. We are switching out a fridge at my mom's house, and if you think our house is something, you ain't seen nothing. So this is the refrigerator room off the kitchen at mom's, and the fridge died. And if it were a smaller fridge, which is what we have to replace this, it would have just come straight out here. But somewhere along the line, a large fridge was put in place.
Larger than what you remember.
Yes, much larger. And so now we get the fun job of taking it outside. So there's lots of stairs in mom's house. There's very small doors in mom's house. We've already had to take a 2x4 off of here.
And we used it for bracing on the rotted out deck.
Yeah, so this is the really fun part. We have a hand truck with flat tires. Woohoo.
Because I knew better and I should have brought the one at home.
Well,
and
it
I was like, this fridge is light, not thinking about what we were dealing with.
Yeah, well, so here's the part that I'm super nervous about. We had to bridge a rotted deck because there ain't no way in heck that fridge plus William plus myself are going to go across that. All those beams are utterly rotted out except the one on the edge, luckily. So, wish us luck. Also, we're pretty sure they framed the house around the refrigerator at this point because we've had to dismantle several door jambs. Oh man, this is an unbelievable movie.
More than we signed up for.
I know, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, let's just take the time this Sunday to go swap out the fridge real quick. Well, so far it's holding on the planks of doom.
So Mom and Dad are taking a fridge down the stairs of my grandma and Don's house. And just so you know, those are the stairs, and it's pretty cool. They cannot wait. Ooh, there they go. Quiet on the spot. Quiet on the set.
Hold on. Okay, is that what I'm feeling?
Yes. But if we come this way, we might be able to slide.
See, I can't deal with it other than trying to help control the descent.
Yank
Yeah.
it.
We got it. Yeah. Are you ready?
truck up in here and grab the other one and go right up with it.
So this one is way lighter and more
Way
manageable
smaller.
and way smaller than this one. So we're pretty
Yes.
excited about being at this stage of the game. And then we get to put the house back together. Yay!
Yay.
Okay. What end do you want?
Doesn't really matter, I don't think.
Luckily, this is an RV fridge and it's got locking doors.
Woohoo!
Ah.
Oh, sure.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. You recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
So we're probably going to need to come in and pick it up and set it on the wood
Okay,
box.
I gotcha.
I'm gonna do it like this. Come in inside.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, sit down.
To record the action. Dope. Never lift with your back.
That's right. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come towards me with it. As far as you can. Okay. You're gonna have to probably get up on the woodshed.
All right, you got it?
Yep, I got it.
Yikes. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Charter Alliance, you've got to enroll in it.
Can you pick it up?
Then you can be
Yep.
my friend.
Oop, lost the glove. Pick it up.
Go for it.
It's stuck underneath. Okay, got it.
You.
I don't think the extension cord is gonna reach, or the cord's gonna reach all the way over to here.
Yeah, it doesn't not look like it will.
The only thing that has to be hooked up is this gas line. It's gonna go
Yes.
here.
Yeah.
Well, why don't, if we're gonna put this wall back together,
Yeah.
why don't we just hook the gas up? You can hand me the crescent wrenches behind you.
You guys keep growing.
I'm gonna put that adapter in my pocket since I'm looking straight at it.
Yeah, it needs to go with that fridge.
Yep.
So, this was a wall we took apart. And unfortunately, the other fridge was just going to be way too tight to come out. Otherwise, that would have been really fast.
Ooh,
But it didn't work that way. We got to hook the propane up. Mama's getting a little catch drain basin because there's no hole in the floor for this to drain.
See?
And then it just needs 110 power.
Because you guys did a
For the
lot
igniter.
while I ate my pizza.
There, William.
Is glued in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Something's gonna have to be done, so.
And now the reconstruction. When people ask why I made the certain decisions that I made in designing our house, there's a point in our house where you come in the back door and it's a 48-inch slider opening up onto a 48-inch French door opening. And aside from looking cool, stuff like this is why I did that.